pretty little side canyon in Arches in the Fiery Furnace. It's a canyon that that kind of peels off right before you get to Skull Arch. I tried to look around there. It's kind of a slot that just gets too narrow to follow. You can see it opens up a little and then closes off back there. But this is what the canyon looks like. On this trip I've had a lot of rain and cloud cover, but right now it's pretty clear, and the sun's really pretty in this little canyon. It reminds me of Buckskin Gulch by the Pariah River. And if I get down here quick enough, I can show you a little pour off that's very Buckskin Gulch-esque. Right here, you can see it kind of dead end back here. Just a little alcove with a lot of water. Just a straight crack and drop off where the canyon continues above it. You can see it keeps going back there, just not in a way that I can follow. There are a few places around here that you can only get to with ropes, I hear, that are pretty interesting and that you can be in for quite a while. So that's that. Back through there's the main trail through that connects to Skull Arch, which is kind of just around that corner. The one up that's a cute little kind of dead ends, but right at this big rock in the middle, but it's kind of a cool little spot right there too. There's that canyon we just came from. Yeah, there you go.